Hello friends, welcome in VRM classes. In last lecture, we have started scalars and vectors topic. Today's lecture, we are going to see product of vectors. In product of vectors, there are two types of product of vectors. First type is scalar product, or also it is known as dot product. Scalar product or dot product. See here, its definition can be written as vector A and B are two given vectors. A and B are given vectors and theta is angle between them. Theta is angle between them. Then dot product A dot B can be written as magnitude of A into magnitude of B into cos theta. So how can we define dot product? The dot product of two vectors or scalar product of two vectors equal to product of magnitude of two vectors and cosine angle between them. Scalar product between two vectors equal to product of magnitude of two vectors and cosine angle between them. This is the definition for scalar product. Now we will see characteristics one by one. This is definition. Characteristics. See, first we will see the case about the angle. If theta is equals to 0, theta equal to 0, it means vector A parallel to vector B. Then cos theta equal to 1, value of cos 0 equal to 1. So dot product becomes A dot B is equals to magnitude of A into magnitude of B. This is first case. Now we will see second case. If theta is equals to 180 degree or pi radian, then vector A is anti-parallel to vector B. Vector A is anti-parallel to vector B. It means A and B are anti-parallel. Now cos 180 की value है cos 180 equal to -1. So put in definition of dot product. A dot B is equals to magnitude of A into magnitude of B into cos theta is -1. Cos 180, theta equal to 180, cos 180 equal to -1. A dot B is equals to minus of magnitude of A into magnitude of B. This is second case. And third is very important case. Third case is that if theta is equals to 90 degree, that is vector A is perpendicular to vector B. Cos 90 की वैल्यू क्या आती है? Cos 90 is equal to 0. Cos 90 equal to 0. Therefore A dot B में पुट करो उसको. A dot B is equals to 0. A dot B equal to 0. This is very important case. We can write it by two ways. First way is if two vectors are perpendicular, if two vectors are perpendicular to each other, then their dot product or scalar product is 0. Then their dot product is 0. This is very important case for solving the examples. Dot product 0, or we can write it conversely. If dot product of vectors is 0, dot product of vectors is 0, then they are perpendicular vectors. They are perpendicular to each other. If dot product equal to 0, then angle between two vectors is 90 degree or they are perpendicular to each other. This is First is definition. In second case or second characteristics, we have seen three cases. Among three cases, the third case is very important. If dot product, if theta equal to 90 degree or vector is perpendicular to vector B, then dot product between two vectors is 0. Now we will see another characteristics. Next characteristics is on second page. See here. Third characteristics is if two vectors A and B are equal vectors, vector A equal to vector B, then their dot product becomes vector A dot B equal to A dot A equal to square of magnitude of vector. How can it becomes? A dot B, वेक्टर A and B are equal vectors. A dot A लिखा उसको, फिर वेक्टर A and वेक्टर A are equal vectors, therefore angle between them is 0. Cos 0 equal to 1, mod A into cos 0, mod A into mod A square into cos 0 1, mod A square. A dot A equal to mod A square, magnitude of square. Dot product of same vector is equal to square of magnitude of vectors, square of magnitude of vectors. Okay, next characteristics is dot product obeys commutative law, और scalar product लिखेंगे या dot product. Scalar product obeys commutative law. What is commutative law? A dot B is equals to B dot A. This is called commutative law. Scalar product or dot product obeys commutative law. Next characteristics is scalar product obeys distributive law. Distributive law. Distributive. What is distributive law? If A dot B plus C, then we can multiply the bracket by vector A dot B plus A dot C. Each term can be multiplied by vector product. Each term can be multiplied by vector A. So A dot B plus A dot C. It can be written as A dot B plus C or vice versa. A dot B plus C equal to A dot B plus A dot C. This is fifth characteristics. Now we will see sixth characteristics. Orthogonal vectors. For orthogonal unit vectors. Orthogonal means perpendicular. Orthogonal unit vectors. Which are these vectors? I, j, k. So see here, for first vector I dot I is equals to magnitude of I into magnitude of I into cos theta. I and I vector are the vectors along the x-axis, unit vector along the x-axis. I cap is the unit vector along x-axis, so its magnitude is 1 into theta. What is theta? Theta is angle between vector I and x-axis. It becomes 0, cos 0. Cos 0 की value क्या है? 1. Therefore, dot product between I and I equal to 1. Cos 0 is 1. So similarly, we can write I dot I equal to j dot j equal to k dot k. I dot I, j dot j, k dot k. Okay. Now these are similar orthogonal vectors. Same orthogonal vectors. I dot I equal to j dot j equal to k dot k. We will see for perpendicular vectors, different vectors. It means vector I dot j equal to I dot j. Next is j dot k or k dot I। इसका प्रोडक्ट क्या आता है? If two vectors are perpendicular, I, j, k, these three vectors are perpendicular to each other, therefore I and j are perpendicular to each other, j and k are also perpendicular to each other, k and I also perpendicular to each other. So we have seen the property that if theta equal to 90 degree, it means dot product between two vectors becomes 0. Here I and j are perpendicular, j and k are perpendicular, k and I are perpendicular, therefore their dot product becomes 0. I have written it directly, dot product equal to 0, and here dot product becomes equal to 1. I dot I, j dot j, k dot k, for similar vectors dot product, for similar unit vectors dot product equal to 1, for different perpendicular unit vectors dot product equal to 0. Now we will see another case. See here, if vector A is equals to a1i plus a2j plus a3k. Now vector B is equals to b1i plus b2j plus b3k. So dot product between vector A and B is written as a dot b. I am writing this directly, a1 and b1, product between a1 b1 plus, that is component of I and I. Now next is component of j and j, a2 b2 plus a3 b3. Imagine here I dot j, j dot k, k dot I becomes 0, therefore all other quantities become 0. Only I dot I, j dot j and k dot k into 1, these quantities are present. I dot I, j dot j, k dot k की quantity present है, बाकी quantity I dot j, j dot k, k dot I आता है, वही quantity 0 होती है, इसलिए directly we have written a1 b1 plus a2 b2 plus a3 b3, a dot b equal to. Okay, last one is how to write the angle between two vectors. So angle between vectors A and B, angle between vectors A and B is written as, angle between vectors A and B is written as cos theta is equals to, this formula is taken from the definition, A dot B divided by magnitude of A and magnitude of B. डिवीजन में प्रोडक्ट ऑफ मैग्नीट्यूड्स, न्यूमरेटर में स्केलर प्रोडक्ट ऑफ टू वेक्टर्स और डिवीजन में प्रोडक्ट ऑफ देयर मैग्नीट्यूड्स. दिस फार्मूला इज टेकन फ्रॉम द डेफिनेशन. दिस इज द डेफिनेशन, a dot b equal to ab cos theta. Cos theta equal to a dot b divided by mod a into mod b. डिवीजन में mod a mod b. Cos theta equal to a dot b divided by mod a mod b. So we can write dot product is taken as from the eighth property, mod a, vector A and vector B are two given vectors and angle between these two vectors can be written as a dot b. A dot b is a1 b1 plus a2 b2 plus a3 b3. and मैग्नीट्यूड ऑफ ए कैसा लिखेंगे, तो मैग्नीट्यूड ऑफ ए के लिए स्क्वायर रूट ऑफ a1 स्क्वायर प्लस a2 स्क्वायर प्लस a3 स्क्वायर, मैग्नीट्यूड ऑफ b के लिए b1 स्क्वायर प्लस b2 स्क्वायर प्लस b3 स्क्वायर. ओके, नाउ examples. Which are the examples that can be solved by using scalar product? So last one is examples. Examples are work W is equals to force into displacement. Next is power P is equals to dot product of force into velocity. Power P is equals to dot product of force into velocity. These are the basic level examples. Some more examples are there in our syllabus. We will see in another chapters. That is potential energy. इलेक्ट्रिक डायपोल के लिए पोटेंशियल एनर्जी है माइनस पी डॉट ई और मैग्नेटिक डायपोल की पोटेंशियल एनर्जी है माइनस एम डॉट बी. magnetic field into magnetic dipole moment into magnetic field, electric dipole moment into electric field. These examples can be seen in electrostatic and magnetic field topic. So up till now we will focus on only work and power. W equal to force dot displacement, power equal to force dot velocity. Okay, so remember all these formulas. We will see one example about the solving angle between two vectors. In angle we can see dot product, magnitude of vectors. Okay, see, question is that find acute angle between vectors. Find acute angle between vectors. A bar is equals to 2i plus 2j plus 3k, and vector B bar is equals to 3i plus 4j plus 2k. ओके, एक्यूट एंगल के लिए फॉर्मूला क्या है? cos थीटा is equals to vector A dot B divided by magnitude of A, magnitude of B. This is formula. We will find one by one calculations from the formula. A dot B first. A dot B equal to vector A is 2i plus 2j plus 3k. Next vector is 3i plus 4j plus 2k. Okay, these two vectors, and dot product becomes A dot B equal to product of I and I, 2 into 3 plus j and j, 2 into 4 plus k and k, 3 into 2. Then dot product A dot B is equals to 2 into 3, 6 plus 8 plus 6. Dot product A dot B is equals to 6 plus 8, 14 plus 6, 20. This is dot product. Now magnitude of A. It can be written as in square root, square of 2 square plus 2 square plus 3 square. 2 square plus 2 square plus 3 square. Calculate the squares and take the addition. 4 plus 4 plus 9 is equal to square root of 17. Square root of 17 cannot be taken, therefore put as it is square root of 17. Now magnitude of B can be written as similar to magnitude of A. 3 square plus 4 square plus 2 square. 3 square plus 4 square plus 2 square. Magnitude of B is equals to square root of 3 square is 9, 4 square is 16 plus 2 square. 2 square is 4. So finally this becomes square root of 25 plus 4, 29. And now put all these values in equation 1. Therefore cos theta is equals to dot product is 20 divided by square root of 17 into square root of 29. Finally this dot product, this calculation becomes in square root 153, 15, 34, 17 into 2, 34, 34 plus 15, 49. Okay, and theta is equals to cos inverse of 20 divided by square root of 493. This is our angle. Theta equal to cos inverse of theta equal to, this is our example for finding the angle between two vectors. Okay, so we have seen now product of vectors in first type, that is scalar product or dot product. In product of vectors, first type was scalar product or dot product. Now we are going to see another type. Next type is vector product. Next type is vector product. See, Second type of product of vectors is vector product, or another name is cross product. वेक्टर प्रोडक्ट और क्रॉस प्रोडक्ट। तो पहले हम इसकी डेफिनेशन देखेंगे। इफ टू वेक्टर्स ए बार एंड बी बार, two vectors a and b are two given vectors, a and b inclined at an angle of theta, then cross product between vector a and b, a cross b is equals to magnitude of a into magnitude of b into sin theta into n cap. What is this n cap? N cap is the unit vector along a cross b. N cap is unit vector along a cross b. Okay, so we can write it n cap unit vector along a bar cross b bar. This product is in scalar product. We get scalar value, that is constant value, but here in vector product or cross product we get vector value. After calculating a cross b we are getting vector value, therefore it has direction. Vector means it has magnitude as well as direction. See here, if two vectors a and b are represented as vector a and vector b separated by angle theta, then its cross product a cross b is the vector perpendicular to both a bar and b bar. A cross b is vector perpendicular to a bar and b bar. If you are writing it as this is vector a and vector b, angle between them is theta, and if you write b cross a, then its direction gets reversed. This is b cross a, or also it can be written as minus of a cross b. Direction gets reversed. A cross b, then a cross b or b cross a is the vector perpendicular to plane of two vectors a and b. समझ में आ रहा है? a और b दोनों का क्रॉस प्रोडक्ट जो है वो एक अनदर वेक्टर है, और इसमें n cap is unit vector along the direction of a cross b. N cap is unit vector along the direction of a cross b. Okay, this is definition. Direction of cross product or resultant vector. Direction of resultant vector is given by, resultant vector means a cross b, right hand thumb rule. Direction of resultant is resultant vector a cross b is given by right hand thumb rule. Right handed thumb rule. और राइट हैंड स्क्रू रूल. राइट हैंड थंब रूल और राइट हैंड स्क्रू रूल, या CREW स्क्रू रूल. ओके, तो इसका स्टेटमेंट जो है, स्टेटमेंट लिख लेने की कोई जरूरत नहीं है. ओपन योर, इसका स्टेटमेंट देखो राइट हैंड थंब रूल का. ओपन योर राइट हैंड पाल्म, एंड कर्ल द फिंगर्स इन सच वे दैट they point in the direction of rotation of A bar and B bar through the smaller angle, then stretched thumb points in the direction of P cross Q. क्या करेंगे, तुम्हारे हाथ में तुम्हारा पेन रखो, पेन के साथ थंब आउटस्ट्रेच करो और फिंगर्स कर्ल, 4 फिंगर्स जो है तो पेन के अराउंड कर्ल करो. उसके बाद डायरेक्शन ऑफ P, A and B is given by curl fingers and direction of cross product A cross B is given by outstretched thumb. स्टेटमेंट इतना इंपॉर्टेंट नहीं है हमारे लिए सीईटी नीट के हिसाब से. डायरेक्शन ऑफ वेक्टर A क्रॉस बी, रिजल्टेंट वेक्टर A क्रॉस बी और वेक्टर प्रोडक्ट की डायरेक्शन कौन से रूल से दी जाती है, राइट हैंडेड थंब रूल और राइट हैंड स्क्रू रूल से. ओके, नाउ वी विल सी कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स वन बाय वन. ओके, तो दूसरा एक डेफिनेशन लिखी, उसमें थोड़ा सा वेक्टर प्रोडक्ट क्या है, उसकी डायरेक्शन कैसी है, which rule gives the direction of resultant vector of A cross B we have seen. Now we will see 3 cases about the angles. Case 1, if theta is equal to 0 or theta is equals to 180 degree, that is vectors are parallel or anti-parallel, sin 0 और sin 180 की वैल्यू sin 0 और sin 180 becomes 0. Therefore A cross B, vector product A cross B, इसमें वैल्यू पुट करो, A cross B becomes 0. Okay, case 2, if theta is equals to 90 degree, then vector A and B are perpendicular vectors, sin 90 becomes 1, sin 90 equal to 1. Therefore A cross B is equals to magnitude of A into magnitude of B into sin 91 into n cap. These are 2 cases related to angle between 2 vectors. Okay, now third characteristics is if 2 vectors are equal vectors, then third characteristics is 2 equal vector. If vector A equal to vector B, then A cross B क्या आएगा, vector A and B are equal vector, same direction में है, angle between them 2 is 0, therefore sin 0 0, cross product becomes 0. 2 equal vector का dot product क्या है, 0. Next, fourth characteristics is it do not obey commutative law. Vector product it do not obey कॉम्पिटिटिव लॉ. डॉट प्रोडक्ट ओबे करता है लेकिन क्रॉस प्रोडक्ट कॉम्पिटिटिव लॉ ओबे करता नहीं. कॉम्पिटिटिव लॉ इट डू नॉट ओबे कॉम्पिटिटिव लॉ. व्हाट इज कॉम्पिटिटिव लॉ? सो सी हियर A cross B is not equal to B cross A. Okay, then when it becomes equally, A cross B is equal to minus of B cross A. If we reverse its direction or if we multiply it by minus, then A cross B becomes minus of B cross A. If we multiply cross product A cross B by minus, then minus B cross A and A cross B दोनों equal होता है. Now next one is distributive law. ओबे करता है distributive law. What is distributive law? A cross B plus C is equals to A cross B plus A cross C. It obeys distributive law. 6 नंबर की कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स है ऑर्थोगोनल वेक्टर्स के बारे में. orthogonal unit vectors. For orthogonal unit vectors, I cross I equal to J cross J equal to K cross K. I cross I. If two vectors are same, then cross product becomes 0. I cross I, j cross j, k cross k, I cross I k, बीच का एंगल जो है 0 है, j cross j, एंगल बिटवीन देम इज 0, k cross k, एंगल बिटवीन देम इज 0, therefore क्रॉस प्रोडक्ट बिकम्स 0. डॉट प्रोडक्ट और क्रॉस प्रोडक्ट कंपेयर करके देखिए, थोड़ा सा डिफरेंस है, और डिफरेंस समझ में आया तो प्रोडक्ट समझ में आता है. 7 नंबर, for different vectors. For different vectors, I cross j, j cross k, k cross I. If we have to write I cross j, then perpendicular vector to cross product means a cross b की डेफिनेशन है, डेफिनेशन से आएगा a cross b equal to mod e into mod b into sin theta into n cap. From this definition I cross j लिखा तो mod I mod j sin theta sin 90 into n cap. Perpendicular vector to I and j is k. Magnitude is 1. Therefore I cross j equal to k. To write this, I am writing circle. On this circle, write three vectors, orthogonal vectors I, vector j, vector k, I j k, I j k. So I cross j becomes its next vector k. If we have to write j cross k, then it becomes its next vector I. If k cross I, vector k cross I, then it becomes its next vector j. Okay, if we write its direction by reverse the j cross I, we are going in opposite direction, j cross I, then it becomes minus k, k cross j, k cross j, k cross j by reverse direction, minus I cross k is equals to I cross k equal to minus j. So remember this concept about the orthogonal vectors, unit vectors. Okay, for two same unit vectors, cross product becomes 0. For perpendicular unit vectors, cross product becomes another perpendicular vector, I cross j k. To remember this, write three vectors on the circle in clockwise direction I j k and take the cross product from this sequence. Okay, next characteristics is about finding the cross product. Next characteristics is about finding the cross product. See, if vector a is equals to a1i plus a2j plus a3k, and second vector b is equals to b1i plus b2j plus b3k, then cross product between vector a and b can be given as take the determinant, take the determinant for the vectors as in first row of the determinant take I j k, in second row take the coordinates of vector a, a1, a2, a3, in third row take the coordinates of vector b, b1, b2, b3, and multiply it by roots of determinant. First take I into, for multiplying by vector I, close row of vector I and column of vector I, row of vector I and column of vector I, multiply by a2 b3 minus a3 b2. Now take minus j for second value, take it as opposite sign, minus j into a1 b3 minus a3 b1 plus k into multiply by k into a1 b2 minus a2 b1, and calculate all values, we get cross product a cross b. Okay, now we will see examples of vector product. To calculate examples of vector product, In examples, first one is moment of force or torque. Torque is calculated as torque is equals to R cross F. Another example is angular momentum L. Angular momentum L is equals to R cross P. R bar cross P bar. Here R is radius, P is linear momentum. Third one is linear velocity and angular velocity. Linear velocity, relation of linear velocity with angular velocity is V bar is equals to omega bar cross R bar. Okay, these all are examples for calculating cross product of vectors. Okay, in next session we will calculate examples, we will find examples. Okay, today we will stop here.